Don't download any AI tool until you finish this video, because I'm about to gently expose the YouTube AI hype train and save you months of wasted time. Here's the truth. Most of the AI business content you see on YouTube is 98% fluff, 2% value. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how I made over $10,000 with YouTube automation and how you can replicate this from scratch. Let's break this down. There are two types of niches on YouTube. Evergreen. Think videos like how I saved my first $10,000 on a $40,000 salary, or the power of compound interest explained. They're not tied to current events, so they keep getting views month after month, year after year. Trending. For example, why everyone's talking about the 2025 recession, or how the Fed's new policy is changing everything. These videos can explode in views within days, but the interest drops off just as fast. Now, where do you get video ideas? Simple. Competitor research. Find what's already working in your niche, then recreate it, but better. Use tools like VidIQ to track hot uploads in real time. Let's talk production. There are three main phases: script, voiceover, editing. Here's my exact tool stack. Scripting. ChatGPT with a better prompt and a little bit some effort. It auto-generates scripts. Voiceover. ElevenLabs for natural-sounding AI narration is perfect choice. Editing. I started with Premiere Pro. Now I edit all in After Effects. Thumbnails. I create thumbnail with ChatGPT and sometimes designed myself using pre-made templates in Adobe Illustrator. So here's the real takeaway. You don't need 50 AI tools. You need one good strategy and the discipline to stick to it. YouTube automation isn't passive at the start, but if you do it right, it can be one of the most scalable, freedom-giving businesses out there. I'll see you in the next one.